We are back with Bluetti again, checking out the Pioneer MD, the AC180T. And it's got some amazing features, and they got a huge discount going on right now. It's about 50% off almost. And you can use our promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of that. So if you're in a hurry, use the links in the comments or the description. Get over this page and get a good deal and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at the Pioneer MD. So, Bluetti's Swap Solar ecosystem, power and chill on the go. For week-long road trips and off-grid lifestyle, Bluetti's first ecosystem keeps your devices powered, food fresh, and drinks ice cold, all in an efficient and sustainable way. The interchangeable B70 battery fits both the AC180T and the multi-cooler that we're going to be going over in a future video. This system offers extreme flexibility and convenience. And you can swap seamlessly for endless runtime. Keep multiple battery packs on standby and replace them for constant power anytime. Whether it's during a multi-day power outage or on a rainy day when solar energy is not as prevalent, you can always have ample power for all your needs. You got swappable battery design for easy move. Packing a punch without being bulky, the AC180T is easy to transport to where it's needed most, thanks to its two removable batteries that allow for separate transportation. So this is very unique because the battery can actually be removed. Almost every single portable power station I've ever seen, you cannot remove the battery at all. And this has speedy charging ready in 1.1 hours. Minimum wasting time, maximum power fun with the AC180T reaches 80% in just 45 minutes when you plug it into the wall. 1.1 hours, it is fully charged. The rapid speed ensures a quick response for emergencies, and fast readiness lets you get away on a whim. Charge it at your will, anywhere, anytime. Flexible charging means worry-free power journey. Plug it into the wall for a full charge in 1.1 hours, harness the sun in 3 hours, or power up from your vehicle in 8 hours. Whichever way you choose, you're good to go. And it works like a charm with big power. The AC180T's got 1800 watt output, covers 99% of common appliances like coffee makers, laptops, TVs, microwaves, induction cooktops. The real magic happens with this lifting mode. Now, this power lifting mode can actually handle huge power resistive loads up to 2700 watts like electric heaters and hair dryers. It's got a capacity of 1433 watt hours, and it powers 6000 BTU air conditioners for 6 hours straight. Safety is always a priority and always gives you peace of mind. Bluetti builds the AT180T with reliable LFP batteries capable of over 3,000 charges, up to 80% equivalent to about 10 years of use if you charge and discharge this completely every single day. Let me say that again, 10 years of use. This thing is amazing. AI battery management system, the BMS, it's going to keep it running safe for you. It's going to keep an eye on you as well so you can't make any mistakes. It safeguards against overcharging, discharging, overheating, enables hassle-free and long-lasting usage. This is a higher-end Bluetti portable power station, got really high output, and right now there's a huge discount going on, and you can use our promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over here, get a good deal, and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. If you got any questions, drop them down in the comments. You can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these deals.